Hello, my name is Ken Starsinek from the Supply Chain Center of Excellence, and welcome to the Advanced Manufacturing Enablement Series. Today, what I would like to do is walk you through an orientation to the Advanced Manufacturing module as a prelude to your pursuit of the individual modules themselves. I would also highly recommend that in addition to watching the video today before you begin the series, it may be highly advantageous that after completion of the modules, come back and revisit this orientation with the hopes that my purpose today is to provide you an overall perspective of the entire module. I hope that this orientation will also nicely tie together all the individual modules that you have studied by the time you would look at this a second time. So with that thought in mind, let's begin our orientation. Before delving into each of the modules, what I'd like to do today is just provide you with a short orientation to advanced manufacturing. As with any Oracle software product, we'll begin our discussion with the Safe Harbor statement. I would imagine most of you are familiar with this, so I'll leave it up on the screen for a moment so you can just quickly review it before we move on. Today, what we're going to talk about are just a few elements of advanced manufacturing. Its general functionality, its integration with core NetSuite, and some configuration considerations to keep in mind when working with any customer. As a broad overview, what you're looking at is a general NetSuite manufacturing flow. The blue blocks represent native NetSuite manufacturing functionality. The orange blocks represent those additional feature sets provided through the Advanced Manufacturing module. What's important to note are those blocks where you see points of integration between core and the AM module. A couple key takeaways are that sales orders, demand planning, the generation of work orders, purchasing activities, receiving, all still occur through native functionality as you are accustomed, but it is at the planning and execution of the work order that advanced manufacturing really provides additional functionality. I should note that the assembly item is the key piece of linkage between core and advanced manufacturing, and it's the use and interaction of the BOM records and the NetSuite routing that really help enable and drive the development of the advanced manufacturing records and its subsequent feature set. And the key piece of that linkage is the manufacturing workbench. From a technical perspective, those of you that have worked with WIP and routings know that the NetSuite routing is a sublist, and therefore it is a non-extendable record. In order to extend the functionality beyond just that sublist, the Advanced Manufacturing Workbench mimics elements of the NetSuite routing in order to provide rough cut capacity planning, finite scheduling, shop floor reporting, and then a series of operational reports found within the module. Advanced manufacturing also provides